I'm Roger, and this is Never Too Late to RV. Today I'm going to talk about getting rid of some of the stuff that you've accumulated over the years in preparation of going full-time RVing. So let's talk about a process. We started going through stuff and ended up with analysis paralysis because we were picking up one thing and looking at it and not being able to decide what to do. So we decided to make it a process. We decided to do a course sorting to begin with. We go through and decide either something is going to be thrown away, something is going to be kept, something is going to be donated, or something is going to be sold. And once we did that, it was easy to go through more quickly and decide what we were going to do with something. Here, Tina was going through the closet and sorting out things that she's had for years that we probably don't need to take with us on the road, and she's deciding whether she wants to store it or throw it away or sell it or whatever she's going. Another thing we're doing is we set up boxes and we put names on these boxes of the people that we're going to be giving things to, family members and friends. And as we go through things and we make the decision to give them to a certain individual, we'll put them in the box for now. And what we're going to do at the end is we're going to take the box or boxes and either ship it to them or get with them, and we'll go through the boxes and we'll see what they would like to keep. And if they don't want to keep it, and I don't want to keep it, then it's gone. Chances are things like pictures and memorabilia and things like that will end up in somebody's house, probably one of my children, one of her children. So this is what we've been doing. It's a process. Sometimes it's painful. The next thing we're going to do is go through the piles that we've made and sort them out again. A little more detailed sort on the things that we're going to keep. Are we going to keep them in storage, or are we going to take them with us? Do we really want to keep them? We need to look at them again and make sure. The things that we're giving away, we need to get with the people that we're going to give them to and see if they really want to keep them. The things that are going to be sold, we need to get them all together and arrange a plan for selling them, either a yard sale or advertising them on online or whatever. Facebook has some local sales outlets where you can advertise things for sale. That might be a good option. Anyway, that's our video for today. It's short and sweet, but we wanted to get something up, and we're going to do this once a week, best we can, while we get the process going. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Comment below if you have some suggestions on going through things like this or the process. Let us know what you think.